How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how you guys can get the best Twitter analytics using tools. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first method we'll be talking about is actually accessing the direct analytics and statistics of Twitter through their website. And to do so, um, you just want to log into your Twitter business account and basically follow this path here. So account home, activity dashboard, video activity dashboard, and campaign dashboard. So this will bring up all of the statistics of which tweets are getting the most engagements, and you guys can go from there. However, if we're going to talk about different tools that you guys can use, here's a couple to rank up your business or whatever you guys are trying to promote, and basically improve your SEO game. So number one for Twitter is Sprout Social. So Sprout offers a number of social media management tools from publishing and monitoring to analytics and reporting. So Sprout actually specializes in the platform Twitter. So this is an option that you guys can use. Next one is Social Pilot. Goes without saying. There's also Keyhole, Clear, Tweetsmap, and Follower Wonk, Teutonomy, Brand24, and finally Twitter Analytics. So yeah, these are some of the tools that you guys can use. So obviously you go to their respective websites so you can download their tools or plugins or extensions to actually use their features. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.